doesn't apply any more further from here, right? So we have an answer that just equals constant 2, right? It equals the speed of light, right? Whatever you want to call it, right? Now, from this point of constant here, from the actual indicator that we have from our application, is that now we have not only one factor of build, right? We now have 2 factors of build. We have something that we can add to the system that we can control in whatever way we want, in a way. And now we also have a constant, right, that we can apply, right? And now these 2 factors give us 2 more sets of numbers, right?
I'd say it's not really going against the grain of what we always do. It's more that the time scales involved for being able to check the mathematical predictions are much longer. Even in this case, we don't know how long they will be compared to things in the past. So take Einstein and his special theory of relativity. There was a real puzzle that he faced, which had to do with properties of light and its motion. He wrote down some mathematical ideas just out of his...
Yeah, we gotta wait.
Brain appropriate way to be doing science.
Well,
all right, we'll do... My bad. Every 30 seconds, every hour, I get a minute break. How do I do that? Do I stop what I'm doing and I shut down? Welcome back. The ad is over. No. All right. So as we were saying, right, this is the question. The answer. Yeah.
In the opposite direction in those gaps.
So yes,
going against the grain.
Are we moving against the opposite direction? How does this make sense? Well, okay. When we apply, the fact of the matter is we have a particle in its location. We have an atom. We have anything. We have a dookie. We have anything. A grain of sand, right? We can apply this into a factor which applies that it's light, which gives us a guarantee of movement, which helps us create an outcome for the speed. Speed of light's 9 trillion, whatever, blah blah blah, right? And for that, we'll make it 9. We can give that geometry because we can measure from here to here, right? Now we can square it off and we can measure that. We can measure that in